Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to save passwords in Safari on your iPhone, so you can quickly log into your favorite websites without entering your details every time. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. From there, scroll down again and tap on Autofill Passwords. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Inside the Autofill Passwords section, make sure the option for Autofill Passwords is turned on. If it is turned off, Safari will not be able to save or suggest passwords automatically, so turn it on to enable the feature. Next, open the Safari app and go to any website where you want to log in. Enter your username and password as you normally would. After logging in, Safari will show a prompt asking if you want to save the password. Simply tap Save, and your login details will be securely stored on your iPhone. The next time you visit that website, Safari will automatically suggest your saved password. You can tap on it, and it will autofill instantly after authentication. You can also manage your saved passwords anytime by going back to the Passwords section in Settings, where you can view, edit, or delete saved accounts. That's it. You have successfully learned how to save passwords in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.